In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Yoast SEO. We'll walk through the full setup inside WordPress so you can get Yoast installed, configured, and connected properly. This is a great first step if you want to improve how your site appears in search engines and make on-page SEO easier to manage going forward. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're inside, go to Plugins, then select Add New. In the search bar, type in Yoast SEO, and when it appears in the results, click Install Now. Give WordPress a moment to complete the installation. After that, click Activate. Once the plugin is active, you'll notice a new SEO menu item appear in the left sidebar that confirms Yoast has been added successfully. Next, open the SEO menu and go to General. Under the General tab, click Open the Configuration Wizard. This wizard helps you set up the most important basics without having to manually search through every setting. As you go through it, fill in the sections for site representation, social profiles, and personal data and analytics. These areas help Yoast understand whether the site represents a person or organization, connect your social presence, and apply the right metadata behind the scenes. After the wizard is complete, the next part is connecting your site to search engines. Go back to SEO, then General, and open the Webmaster Tools tab. From there, create an account in Google Search Console if you don't already have one, and add your website as a property. This gives you access to important search performance data and helps Google recognize your site more reliably. When setting up verification in Search Console, choose the HTML tag verification method. Google will give you a verification code. Copy that alphanumeric code and paste it into the Google field in Yoast. Then save your changes in WordPress, return to Google Search Console, and click Verify. If everything was pasted correctly, the connection should go through without any issues. Now head to SEO, then Settings, and find Content Types, sometimes labeled Post Types depending on your version. This is where you configure how posts, pages, and other content appear in search results. You can also review archive settings here. Take your time with this section because it controls whether certain content is indexed and how Yoast structures your SEO defaults. Once everything is configured, Yoast starts helping you in real time while you work inside the WordPress block editor. As you write or edit content, it evaluates SEO and readability live, giving you feedback as you type. That makes optimization much easier and helps you build better habits every time you publish.